this car corner here, bringing in another beautiful GTO. This is a 65 car, just really beautiful in this red. I really like it. And it is a 4-speed car, so that being said, this is one beautiful piece here. Wasn't big on the 65s as much as 66 and 7s. My preference on that. There's that Hearst 4-speed. This car is beautiful. Looks like it's got 98.544 on it. I noticed the difference on the emblems on trim panels on the years from 65 to 66 and 7. Located in a different area. A lot of attention to detail in this car. I mean, door shut's pretty decent. But one thing I do want to look at is the exhaust on it, because I don't recall in days that was factory like that. Something I'm going to have to look into myself. It's been a while since I've ventured into GTO world. But as far as I'm concerned, red with a 4-speed just don't get much better on GTO. That white interior really looks nice. There's that famous GTO emblem. When you're cranking this thing through the gears, you just need to adhere to what you're riding in. On to more.